Hey, young man. Where are you working just right now? Where you come from?
The library, the other
And
side.
which class you are reading?
I'm for the south.
There's a double biology lesson there, eh? You are lying to me.
No, sir.
You are lying to me. Where are you staying?
No, sir. It was.
And what's wrong with this rope? Is this a rope or a tie?
No.
Eh?
No, sir. No.
Shoes, you have not wear the shoes. Wear the belt. You have a lot of problems. No. Disturbance. Kneel down.
Yes.
You. Take it.
Sasa. COVID.
This person is a student. Huh? May I confirm? Young man, what are you doing? What are you doing? Which is that? Huh? What's that? What are you doing? You're smoking or what?
No. Hata unafanya nini huko nje? Sasa hadi wewe bwana kwani nini? Wewe unafanya nini?
You mean like in that manner?
No.
You seem you're rude, eh?
No.
You seem you're rude.
No.
Huh?
Hey, Mr. Alberto.
Yes.
What's up with this man?
You know this man, I found him in the bush just smoking, operating a phone, I don't know. These are crooks. The disturbance who normally problems.
So this is Arab together. Huh?
Yes.
What are you doing here?
I was feeling some headache, then I decided to come.
In fact, this boy is so rude. In fact,
Yes, the other boy was in my office the other day. What are you doing down in my office?
No, sir. No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
What are you doing?
I was found there.
What's happening with your tie? Angalia vitu umewapa hapa. Okay. Hebu kwa hizo makaratasi alafu nipate kwa ofisi yangu. Ala, Alberto, make sure the boy comes to my office, huh?
okay, do faster. Do faster.